Hey guys, today we are cooking potato and eggplants. So first put some cooked mustard oil, now add 1 tablespoon cumin, and also some curry leaves. Sauté it for about a minute. Then add onions, garlic, ginger. Then sauté it, and let it cook for a while. Then add 1 tablespoon salt. Stir it. Now add 2 tomatoes and cook it for a while. And then add 1 tablespoon turmeric. Mix it well. And next add 1 tablespoon liquid asafoetida or liquid heme. Add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and mix it well. Now add the potatoes. Sauté it. Then add the eggplants gradually. Mix and cook. Then add remaining eggplants. Sauté it. Add 3 green chilies in the end. Now cover it and let it cook on medium flame. Check on it and sauté it from time to time. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now sprinkle curry leaves or coriander leaves on top and some sesame seeds. Mix it well. You can check if it's cooked by slicing a potato. If it smoothly cuts, it's perfectly cooked, but if it doesn't, then it needs more cooking time. Finally, delicious potato and eggplants are ready to eat. Enjoy!